southeastern Henderson County until 1 p.m. At 12:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brookville, moving at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
Congratulations.
Locations impacted include Mayville, Washington, Ripley, Brookville, Mount Olivet, Germantown, Sawdust, Raleigh Corner, Murphysville, Stonewall, Maybrick, Powdersville, Keene, Johnsville, Shattuck, Tuckahoe, Hicksville, Minerva, US Route 62 and State Route 875 in Alligator. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky. Lewis and Mason and the following counties in Ohio. Adams, Brown, and Scioto. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Alright. Since I forgot to do it when the watch first came out, so of course none of the handhelds up here that are on now were turned on then. But 261 completely went AWOL until now. CKW 2000 activated, 262 activated, Zoneguard Plus activated. This guy did not. He has this entire time. These both went off. 996 did not go off for the watch, but it went off for this warning here. Access Y299 was not on, but now it went off. These went off for both. This guy has not gone off for a single thing.
The National Weather Service in Winley.
Yeah.